Don't forget to like and subscribe. Nom nom nom.
Anyway, quit jabbing. Let's do it.
Good morning, y'all. LA Appliance Guy here. Got my coffee. Dragging this morning. We got a lot to do. We got a conservator. We got a GE. We got a Samsung. We got Kenmo. We got it all. Let's do it. Here we got a Samsung dryer that runs for a few minutes, then shuts off. Let's see what's going on with it. Dragging this morning. Gotta get going. Let's do it. We got a lot to fix. Flexible steam options. Let's see what it does. Well, it sounds good. It's ice cold, baby. We might have a heat problem. Let's get into it. And if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up. All right, so like theoretically, you could take this screw out here, and you could take this tube off and this little cover, and you could test your heating components to see what's wrong. But really, the best thing to do is just get in there, pull a drum, and check everything out. So let's do it. Yes, we've done plenty of Samsungs, but that's what I got this morning. So let's do it. All right. At least they give us hinges. Unplug the light. One, two, three. That one's gone, but that one. There's usually one right there. Door switch. Alright. Ooh, it's got the triple element. Fun. Moisture sensor. Now we can test our crap. 2 water valves for your little skeeter up there. Ski, 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 ski. Okay, we got a triple or a double element with 3 terminals. Looks like that thermostat and fuse has been changed before. Let's check them. All right. If we have continuity, it's good. Good, bad. Good, bad. Uh-oh. Oh, it's good. Bad. Not shorted. We might need to test the board relay too. All right. Change the thermostat and the fuse at the same time always. Well, that does not look like the original fuse and thermostat. So let's check the board. All right, so you just gotta take the 2 screws out of the back and then roll the top forward. I could definitely tell somebody has been in here before because even this cover on the board was loose. Weird. Motor relay. This is the heat relay. So we need to make sure that this is open, no continuity. Or I think that's the motor relay. Yeah, that's the motor relay. That's power into the board. Motor relay, heat relay. Well, okay, well, that's good. That's good news. Somebody's been in here before, because that's bent. I didn't do that. Interesting. All right, so in this situation, when everything tests good and there's no other sign of pulley being stiff or anything like that, and the board relay tests good, I guess I'm just gonna have to throw a couple of fuse or a fuse and a thermostat on there and run it and make sure that it airflows. We always make sure it airflows, but that's probably the next best thing. But yeah, that's a 250 or 260 degree thermostat, and it's supposed to cycle. Well, if it sticks, it blows that high limit. We call it a fuse, but it's 320, I think, 325. So you change them both at the same time. Anyway, quit jabbing. Caffeine. Let's do it. Somebody has definitely been in this thing, because there's a screw missing there.
These don't look like the original. They look like they've been changed before.
So I'm just gonna pull the screws out and change both of these. So watch this dummy go to put the old fuse, the bad one, back on there. Man, wouldn't that have thrown me off big time? If I had put the old one back on and tried to run it and it didn't heat, oh man, talk about spinning around in circles.
Dummy, that would have really blown your mind there. Okay, new one. What do you mean it's not heating? You put the wrong one on. Okay, now we're in business. No.
But hey, at least I caught myself. We all make mistakes, but that would have been a funny one, having to tear the dryer all the way back down again. I would have pulled the back panel off and changed it from the back in this situation, or at least tried. All right, let's just slap this baby back together and see what it does. Don't spill the coffee. If that happens, I'm just going home. Hey, how you doing? Oh. Bye. I like to give it a spin, make sure it's not flipped on us. Grooves down. Okay, catch the bottom rollers down there. Sometimes they don't go in, so give it a spin. There we go. Gotta make sure our tallywhackers are in the hole. Tallywhacker. Oh, get in the hole, tallywhacker. Yeah. Go. There we go. Okay. Don't forget your moisture sensor. Okay. Boop, boop. Boop, boop, and boop. Catch your little tallywhackers down there, like that. Don't forget your door switch, like I've been known to do. Oh, yeah, and they don't give you long enough wires, so you have to take this and use your noggin. Use your noggin so it gives you enough wire to get in here and plug in your thing. Boom, thing plugged in. Light. Come on. 10 minutes later. Come on. Come on. All right, and slip them into your things. Put the thing in the thing. All right. All right. All right, then get the zip of the go juice. Put these in. 1, 2, and we're missing that one. One, go, 2, and 3. With the wham bam. There we go. Let's see what it does. We need to test air dry. Does it have an air dry? This one might not have an air dry. Well, oh well. Let's run it on heat and then we'll test the temperatures, I guess. Heard the relay click on the board. We got heat coming in hot, baby. All right. So that's a good sign, really, that it started off cold. Then you hear the tick of the thermostat relay, and then it started heating. So quick, easy one there. Like those. Let's get Thor's hammer out, open it up, and see what it looks like. Thing is tough. There we go. Man, it really didn't look that bad, does it? Huh. Ain't been in there very long. Well, she gone now. All right, so a little truck rant today. Since it was a long, busy day, had like 10 things dropped off to be fixed, blah, blah, blah. Just wanted to say thanks to everybody who is subscribing and commenting and leaving positive feedback, because that really got me through the day. A lot of the positivity. And I really appreciate it, and appreciate the love from the community and ROD, Retire on Dividends. If you like investing in options, go check him out. They are really, really helping me out. And thanks to all of y'all, I'm going to keep making dumb videos. So back to my dumb video. All right, y'all. That was a quick, easy fix on this Maytag. Just needed a thermostat and a high limit on the element. On to the next one. We only have like 7 or 8 more to fix today. But thank y'all for watching, and hit that like and subscribe. We're over 800. Actually, we're over 825. We're almost to 900. Can you believe it? I can't. But since we're at the end of the video, I'll give you a key word. That lets me know that you made it all the way through my crazy videos. So put in the comments, since this one is a steamer. Friggin' steamer. Friggin' steamer, baby. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. LA out. Friggin' steamer, baby. Y'all have a great day.